First of all, I'd like to thank all the 45 participating teams, men's and women's volleyball team, and the respective LGUs. Maraming salamat sa inyo pong pakikilahok sa 2026 Governors Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament. Meron pa akong hangover sa last nating basketball tournament. But you know what? I played basketball. Si Coach Leo was my coach when I was young. And sabi nga ni Vice Mayor JM, may abs pa ako nun. Pero actually, whenever there's an Olympic event, one of the events that I really watch is volleyball. Kasi napakaganda po ng action, napakabilis, napaka-dynamic, and you can see how versatile and graceful professional and amateur players are joining in such a high-level tournament. Kaya we'd like to have something like this in Pangasinan. Salamat din po sa Dagupan, LGU. Although you are governed independently, you are still one province, and thank you for your participation. You know, ang malaki talagang vision natin for us Pangasinenses and holding such events, especially athletic and sports events. Ito yung ating total and holistic approach in making our province a great province. Alam niyo po, recently in sports, in the youth, no, mga issues sa national, you all hear the news. Sinasabi nung huling nangyari doon sa Tacloban, no? Yung nagbaril. I think they have something to do with what the kids watch on screen and play on screen. Marami po sa atin, bata man, matanda, most of our time nandoon na lang sa screen. Because of technology, hindi na tayo lumalabas. Hindi na tayo naglalaro. No, wala nang mga physical activities na nangyayari. Puro mall, no, puro screen, puro computer, puro gadgets. But now we are doing things differently in Pangasinan. Gagawin nating active ang sports para po sa kabataan. And I think para rin po sa mga hindi mas bata katulad namin, there are some sports para sa atin, no, na kakayanin pa natin. But anyway, thank you for your participation. Expect that we will have more of this athletic and sporting event in the province of Pangasinan. And thank you to the organizers, the think tank of all our athletic programs. You know who you are. Maraming salamat sa inyo pong contribution, no, sa sports ng ating probinsya ng Pangasinan. So, at I'm sure that this tournament will really be exciting. And I thank again the LGUs, pinaghandaan nyo talaga ito, ginastosan nyo. But you know, whatever expense, whatever tong mga effort natin, it's all worth it kasi masaya ang ating mga kabataan, ang kanilang pamilya, ang ating bayan. We are rooting for our team. Naipapakita natin po dyan ang barangayan, ang support ng ating mga kababayan. Okay? So ito yung grassroots, no? Ito yung homegrown na tinatawag, no? Talagang malaki pong bagay sa ating mga bayan yan at syudad. And another exciting announcement after the volleyball tournament. So nag-basketball tayo. Nag-cycling tayo. Oh, siguro pang sa ating mga may edad na, pwede na siguro yung inter-club pickleball tournament. Oh, okay ba yun? So, alam nyo po, no, tutuloy-tuloy po natin ito. Hindi lang po umpisa. Yung mga nag-organize, tumitingin sa akin, baka ano pang i-announce ko. But alam nyo, dito sa ginagawa nating development sa Capitol, no, may mga open grounds diyan for mga basketball court, may gagawin akong pickleball diyan, saka mga adult exercise park. So we're hoping that all towns in each district will also have open spaces para po sa mga ganitong mga activities.